Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from you and have taken it back in part exchange. It also has a full service history with ourselves. It comes with 15-inch alloy wheels. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that comes with DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. You also get air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 21,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.